Here's how to create a table in Microsoft Word in 3 methods. Click on Insert on the top left. Then click on Table. Swipe your mouse like this to create the table. You can expand or shrink the table. Click on Insert Table. Then choose the number of columns and rows you want in your table. Then click OK. Click on Draw Table. Make a square. Then you can customize the size of the columns and the rows of the table, like this. You can expand or shrink the table. Thanks for watching.